Hello,
Hello,
what's your name?
my name is Zayda.
How old are you?
I'm 12 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Where do you live?
I I live in Brazil.
Okay, Jaden, I will ask you some questions about film. What is your favorite type of movie?
I
My favorite.
my favorite time movie.
What is your favorite type of movie? Action, romance, horror film,
That's a film.
action. What do people usually eat and drink at the cinema?
People usually eat popular
Popcorn
popcorn
and drink.
drink soda after
Okay, number 3. Have you ever been scared by a movie, and if so, why?
no happens.
Has a movie ever made you cry?
Yes.
Do you prefer to watch movies alone or with friends, and why?
I might prefer to watching movie with friends because